is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Go down low, seven. Go down low, honey. Go down low, baby. Go down, seven, give it love, love. Go down low, seven. Go down low, honey. Go down low, baby. Go down, seven, give it love, love, love. And I want you to meet my parents. Yeah. Now I'm including you in my whole world. With you, I'm so transparent. You tear down every wall that I built up. Now I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Go down low, seven. Go down low, honey. Go down low, baby. Go down, seven, give it love, love. Go down low, seven. Go down low, honey. Go down low, baby. Go down, seven, give it love, love. Go down low, seven. Go down low, honey. Yeah. Go down low, baby. Go down, seven, give it love, love. Go down low, seven. Go down low, honey. Go down low, baby. Go down, seven, give it It was just a misunderstanding. You waited in the rain for hours, and I couldn't say the right things. No, I checked your number twice, then I went home. But I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry.
Hi. Hi, this is me, Tiffany. We're camping with the Tesla. Do you want to see inside our tent? Let's go. Here's a little campfire, our chairs, and then now we're here. And all over here is where my mom and me sleep. It's so comfortable. It's a mattress, and where am I? I'm in the Tesla. This is a tent that can connect to a car. Cool, huh? We put it down the chair so we could put in this mattress on. You can see a little up here, there's a rainbow cover on the mattress.
Here's a look at our tent that we're using. This one's the Napier Backroads SUV tent. So it's meant for attaching to the hatch of your vehicle, and it works pretty decent with the Model S. You can see here the outline of the hatch. Has a couple straps here to keep it tight to your vehicle. That one actually goes all the way to the front. And we added some painter's tape here just to seal off the bugs. Definitely don't use anything too strong. The rest of the tent, it's easy to set up. Has these pretty much like any other tent, those poles that connect together and stakes. So we'll take a look inside. So it has a nice screen function for almost all the panels. Get some breeze in here. Spot to hook up a lamp. It's pretty spacious. What we've set up here is one spot for a cot and a sleeping bag. And then here you see the hatch of the S has another connection point here so that it doesn't slip down. And then what we're using is a 3-piece foam mattress. See it there, it just folds up. It's a single size. And with the seats folded down, it works out pretty nice. Say hi.
Hi.
Let's see here. Get in here. Let's just show you the space. So with the hatch of the S, it's pretty spacious. Definitely for shorter people. There's a lot of room, but you could probably fit comfortably here if you're 6 feet tall. There's a space. And with camp mode on, it's pretty comfortable. Overall, a pretty good purchase.
It was just a misunderstanding. You waited in the rain for hours, and I couldn't say the right things. No, I checked your number twice, then I went home. But I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Go down low, seven. Go down low, honey. Go down low, baby. Go down, seven, give it love, love. Go down low, seven. Go down low, honey. Go down low, baby. Go down, seven, give it love, love, love. And I want you to meet my parents, yeah. Now I'm including you in my whole world. With you, I'm so transparent. You tear down every wall that I built up. Now I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry.
So here's a look at our cooking setup. First we have the Yeti Tundra 45 cooler. Keeps ice cold for many, many days, so good purchase. Has these easy to secure locks. And then it does have a drain on the one side if you need to drain the water out of it. We just have a water jug here, 5 gallons, just for cooking. And then we have a Martin dual burner propane stove. Right now we're just making some coffee. Our coffee maker is this AeroPress Go. To make 3 cups of coffee. And then we have this cast iron pan for cooking. Yeah, that's the simple setup we have.